What if here's a great one from our chat room again, D17R3W, which I think is his tire size. He says, you're looking for the new Lady Gaga video. There are two versions, one on Vimeo, one on YouTube. YouTube shows up first. Identical videos, is that okay? It is if you're Vimeo, it's not okay. Wouldn't you be upset?
So the argument is they're already in this position. So why not?
They are already. Yeah, right. They already are. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it's true that YouTube videos do show up first, don't they?
YouTube is YouTube has to be a more linked to site than Vimeo. It's a much bigger video site.
Well, here's the question.
True.
Here's a good one. Knowing how much smaller Buzz is, remember Buzz?
Yeah.
Than Twitter.
There's a good one. What if the Buzz results should have showed up higher than the Twitter results?
Or showed up at all?
Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a very good one.